Guys, third quarter na tayo, 38 na to, 41 San Carlos. So, replay natin sa YouTube channel ko, Jackie Jeff B. Aranda. So, kung may mga katanungan kayo, mag-chat lang kayo sa akin, guys. Ano po? Ayan. Gawin mo tayo share ang ating stream para mas tayo makapanood at taga rito sa bayan ng Rosario. At huwag niyo kalimutang i-follow ang aking panibagong Facebook page, Jackie Boy Livestream. And then i-follow, i-subscribe nyo na rin ang aking YouTube channel, TikTok account at saka Facebook. Pare-paras lang po ng pangalan, Jackie JFBA Aranda. At shoutout sa mga taga Rosario, Batangas na nakakilala sa akin, sa taga sa Barangay San Carlos at saka Lupay at dito sa may poblasyon.
Yohan Spins, Lace for 2 points. Patapa.
Nato 40-41 San Carlos, isa na lamang, possible mag-change favor.
Abate.
Nice.
Umiya.
Ayun na nga.
2 points.
Change favor, 42-41. Change favor again, 42-43.
No good. Inside. Abate. Pops. Inside. And there's Umiya to number 7. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. As he fires, score 2 points. Dalangin. Reverse, no good. Full shot. Umiya, lefty, 4 points. Yata kaliwa. Yan, tabak na ulit.
46 na to, 44 San Carlos.
Emergency pass. 14 seconds shoot. Number 25. Nakuha ng pick. Number 25 fires. No good. Langit. Inside and there's a...
Deadlock 46. Third quarter tayo, 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining.
For 2 points. Number 8, Corillo. Corillo to number 13, fires. No good. Corillo, 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Pasaring. Pass to number 7, Ashish. Mataba, process. Inside. No good. Rebound, picture. Carino, and there's the reset. Number 25, outlet pass. Good. Bada. For 2 points. To number 33. 14 seconds shoot. Great. Out of bounds. 5. Spins. Lace. No good. Bola.
So after ng game na to guys, so uwi na ako. So hanggang 2 games lang po ako. Abangan nyo lang March 9, baka makapag-video ulit.
Number 6, cover.
Kaya huwag nyo kalimutang i-follow ang aking Facebook page na Jackie Boy Livestream.
Umiya.
At i-subscribe, follow nyo rin at saka ang aking mga TikTok account, Facebook at saka YouTube channel. Pare-pares lang pangalan, Jackie Jeff B. Aranda. Ano po? At salamat sa ating mga viewers.
Back shots, no good. Assist with the rebound. Abang Carillo. Regular. Di pala. Bagi. All board. Number 18 with the steal. No good. Ismael, come to the line. The rebound, number 17. Number 23. And crossover, no good. Rebound. number 25. Kumiya jumper, no good. Tatlo ba rin? Number 3. Bagay ito Carillo.
May makakashoot.
Carillo. No good.
Sino kayo makakashoot?
Number 17, Lace.
Wala pa
Number pa
rin.
rin.
Deadlock 50. Sino kayo makakashoot dito guys? Bigay isang minuto na, wala pa nakakashoot. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. 55 seconds na. Okay. Last na si Idol. Number 6. Bizares. 50-52. Lamang ang San Carlos.
With a score 52. To number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30. No good. And Labat to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Buggy. Basha.
50-55.
Number 92.
San Carlos lead. Last 2 minutes, third quarter.
Abate. Layup for 2 points. 10 seconds to shoot. Release.
52-55.
10 seconds. Ang dami Carillo. Carillo. Looking for teammate. Pass to Amada. Out of there. Box. And there's the whistle. 14 seconds shoot. Out. 9 seconds to shoot. Agaw pa. Carillo. Lays for 2 points. At Labat. Emergency pass. Hindi pasa ng ayos. And there's the whistle. 10. 5 seconds. Yung hampo, nakawala. For 2 points. Inside pass na Carillo. Carillo jumper, no good. Rebound, number 8. Number 7. Assist, Lucas Daniel. Ang palasang pasa, Carillo, lace. And there's the reason. Layup on 2 points. Number 30. To Carillo, fires. Airball. Rebound, number pass to Kumiya. Oy, magic pass. 14 seconds shoot for 2 points.
58-59.
Crosses, Carillo. Inside. Penetrating the defense. Inside. Layup for 2 points. Carillo.
60-61. Naman pa San Carlos in run.
Inside pass.
Ingray. Kontra nato in pink.
No good. Rebound number 7. Number 7 close. No good. Top. Putbacks no good. Rebound. Blocked. Kumiya with the letter. Number 25. Inside lace.
Change favor na pala tayo na to. 62-61 San Carlos.
Si ball basta San Carlos. Yung combo. Inside. Deflected. Number 15. Dalangin. Pinoy step. Yeah, for 2 points. Bersama Indonesia. Agaw. Dalangin. Back-to-back basket. 4-1. Time out.
So last game ko na to guys na pagbi-video, knock after nito. So abangan nyo na yung mga clips ng mga idol natin. Ang replay, i-upload ko sa YouTube channel ko, Jackie JFB Aranda. Abangan nyo na yung mga clips sa aking Facebook at TikTok account, Jackie JFB Aranda. Hindi huwag nyo kalimutang i-follow ang aking Facebook page na Jackie Boy Livestream.
Baka po with the rebound. Baka po. 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound on the break. Baka po. 6 na minuto. Number 30. Inside pass. Gino, kick out pass to number 30, fires no good. 5, Yokapo, love pass, no good. Nakuhan, Yokapo. Last time. Nice pass. Via.
62-67.
Yokapo. 10 seconds to shoot. For 2 points. Number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Dalangin. Inside. Pagrasya. Dalangin. Inside. And there's the whistle.
Shoutout sa'yo, Idol Marvin. 66 na to, 67 San Carlos. Games favor na, 68-67. Last 3 minutes and 54. Final quarter.
Dalangin and there's the whistle. Alright. Number 28 bounce on Madang. Inside, no good. Dalangin. No good pa rin. And there's the whistle.
68 na to, 69 San Carlos.
Yokapo. No good. Alibang po Yamada.
Last 3 minutes.
Dalangin. So, Bagay for the rebound.
68-72.
Sevilla, pass to number 19, Abate. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Papasarik. 15 seconds to shoot. 10
Banda pa guys ang laban. 68-72. San Carlos lead.
14 lang, ladies and gentlemen.
One minute and 53.
14 seconds to shoot.
Final quarter.
Plays on board. Number 14 seconds shoot. 14 seconds shoot. Layup. No good. Rebound number 20 Namada. Dalangin with another. Dalangin. Jumper. Ingat. Hello. 55 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Last 50 seconds. And there's a whistle. Foul by number. The game clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Reverse layup.
70 na to in pink. 72 San Carlos in gray. Last 33 seconds. Grabe, gumanda pa ang ating laban. 70-74.
29 seconds. It's a ball shot. 20 seconds. Power shot clock. 15.
Obo sila dito ang oras.
10 seconds.
Last 8 seconds. 70 na to in pink. 74 San Carlos. Congratulations. replay guys, upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. At mga clips, abangan nyo na lang, okay? Salamat sa mga
And
nanood.
Bogey, final score 7-4, 70.
Final score, 70-74.
Winning San Carlos.
So, salamat po sa mga nanood sa live.